हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
Come and learn, read ABC with fruits so yummy. You and me. A, B, C, D, what do we see? A red apple hanging on the tree. E, F, G, H, let's explore. Big and grapes, we want more. I, J, K, L, what's that smell? Kiwi and lemon, taste so well. M, N, O, P, look at these. Mango juicy, orange with cheese. Q, R, S, T, come and play. Strawberry smiles all the way. U, V, W, X, let's say hi. Watermelon big and shy. Y and Z, now we're through. Yummy, fruits are good for you. Fruits are tasty, fruits are fun. Let's eat them all one by one.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।